this video. Welcome to Manny, Pagan Travel. Right now we are in Cataño, Puerto Rico in the ferry terminal. We're taking a ferry to San Juan. First time I take this ferry, and the reason why we're doing it is because we're going to celebrate the Sanse festival. It started last night, Thursday, but now it's Friday night, and we decided to come. We were just gonna come tomorrow, but we decided to come, right, babe? Right? Anyways, we have no idea how long it's gonna take for them to bring us there. I think it's a pretty quick one. A lot of people like to take this ferry because they can see the sunset, so it's a quick, like, sunset ferry, just to like see the sunset and record it. But in this case, we're just trying to get into the amazing festival. It's the closeout festival of Christmas. If you don't know, Puerto Rico has the longest Christmas in the world, so we are very excited. There's gonna be a lot of music, food, and overall a great time. So we're doing it this way. I've always done it parking in San Juan and then take an Uber, but this is more cost effective. We found a parking spot, you know, a very shady area though, but we didn't leave anything in the cars or anything like that, so we'll be just fine. So I'll show you with the experience. There's a ferry right there, so we just have to wait our turn. So let's see. All right, it's time to board the ferry. Okay guys, we have just arrived to San Juan, and everybody's very happy here. So it's gonna be really exciting to check everything out. We need to eat first, and then we will enjoy the weekend. We are back in Christmas! We're back in Christmas!
Sing hormiga.
As you can see, there's a lot of people here. Yes, you will bump into people. You're gonna have to, you know, find your way.
You gotta be aggressive.
You gotta be aggressive to get to where you want to be.
Because if not, there's gonna be people standing, just hanging out. You gotta like.
But it's a spectacular experience. Really fun. You get to enjoy great music and see things like that, right? Really cool, guys. And if you want to get some peace and quiet through all these streets of Old San Juan, you come here to El Morro Fortress. This is right over there, that whole area. Beautiful area right there. And you get some type of peace, but the big concert is right to our right, so yeah, be prepared to walk a lot too. There's a lot of walking involved because there's no cars allowed in to the actual city except taxis in the cruise area and the ferry area, so you gotta be ready for that one. All right, we know that tomorrow's gonna be much better, so we're gonna continue this video tomorrow. All right, tomorrow, and you guys will see.